Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing how you can create a message block in your Shopify store. Many Shopify merchants uses this kind of message block to display some information and message to customers or some warning messages to the customers during the checkout. So, I will be explaining how you can create similar kind of blocks in your online store. So, watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For this, I'm using checkout extension Ninja app. This is as available in the Shopify App Store. You can either download it from the Shopify App Store or I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. A quick reminder that this kind of customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. After installation, open the app from the admin panel and go to the blog section. Now you can click on create new blog. You have some templates available here. Either you can choose any from this or you can close it and click on add new blog. And we have to search for the message blog. Either you can see that the message blog has been shown here and you can click on add to checkout. First thing, we have to give a proper title. I'm just giving message blog as my title so that I can easily identify this from my list of blogs. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this and add your visibility condition. Here, there are multiple conditions showing up here. You can choose any from this list and the blog will be available with the whenever the condition is met at the checkout page. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled so that the block will be available in the checkout page always. And click on message and you can have the whatever message you want. I'm just giving, please verify your shipping address and contact details before placing the order as my message, and the type will be the warning one, not an information one. And the icon will be showing like this. In the preview you can see how the block will look like in the checkout page. Now click on done and make sure that the status is active and let's save it. After saving it, you can get some block ID here. From here, you can copy this and click on open checkout editor. So the checkout editor page will be showing up, and now click on custom block and add this custom block to the checkout. You have to paste the block ID which you have copied earlier here, then the block has been shown here. So land to the app section and you can place this block to the appropriate section. Let's go with the delivery section. That will be the most suitable place to have this. So we have done. Now let's save it. Let's try this or test this up in our online store. Let's land to the checkout page. And you can see that the block, which is the message block, has been created successfully in the delivery section. And this is a simple one, and that's how you can create a message block in your online store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.